Do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Full body PPF paint protection film, front to back, everything's fully protected. You also have 50% windshield tint here on the front. That is Expel. Very, very nice quality tint. It looks perfect with the sides, just nice blacked out look. Red calipers. Looking at the carbon ceramics, look incredible. Those wheels look amazing. Dayco 2024 on the tire. You got the smoked lens here. Looks really good. Like I said, full body PPF. Paint looks incredible. Wheel looks perfect. The depth looks incredible. Wheel looks good. Bright red calipers. Ultra clean here. All right, checking out the interior. You got the full leather seats. Looks incredible. Got leather across the dash with the Alcantara. It smells brand new in here. And one thing to note in the jams, you have full PPF in here as well. And I do appreciate that they went around that sticker. And then that is fully protected as well. If you see that section, very, very nice. They completely went over all of this and sealed that so you don't get a bunch of dirt in there. Looks really good. Alcantara on the insert. You got the light on the bottom. Handle looks perfect. You have the carbon fiber on that floor mat. Looks really good. Nice and clean. Like I said, full leather dash. Absolutely gorgeous. Really nothing to pick apart in there. You got front lift, all your parking sensors. Like I said, all of this is perfect. Put it in sport, you can hear the exhaust open up. Now if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Okay, looking at this door panel, you got all the Alcantara. Handle's perfect, and then when you look in the jam, you have PPF over all of this. All the way up, even in this section, fully protected. And they went completely over the plate, so that's sealed. Looking at the floor mat, looks good. You got the carbon insert here on the top side. Look at that, looks really cool. Full leather. Got the leather on the dash here with the Alcantara on the upper section. You have Alcantara here on the very top side. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 21,579 miles on the odometer. Full body PPF paint protection film on this car. It's absolutely gorgeous inside now. Smells new in here, looks new. Really, really nice car. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens, buttons, gauges, anything like that, that is just in the camera. That's not actually in person. You do have 50% tint on that front windshield. Just perfect to cut out that heat. Looks incredible. Like I said, ignore the flickering. That's just in camera, not in person. You do have front lift on the car. Perfect for this up here. We do have a little bit bigger bump. So raising that front end up just a little bit, just in case. And then let it go back down. We are in sport mode. You can hear the exhaust crackle. That sounds really good. Alignment's perfect, steering wheel's nice and straight. No weird noises, no weird vibrations. Crackles on those downshifts. Sounds awesome. No complaints with drivability, everything is perfect.